Okay, so you guys will not believe what the beep happened to my phone. So to cut a long story short, the screen has come off, and it is my fault because I am very heavy-handed. I'm spoiled. I do have temper tantrums, but when I'm just fed up with it, because I know it's such a durable device, I do tend to just throw it. Like, I have carpet in some places of my apartment, so I know it's gonna, if I just dash it, it's just gonna like nicely just fall. So I feel like that's contributed to it, but I know that the exact moment when the screen came loose is when I actually dropped it on accident after it was on a side, and I just let it fall from the side, from the counter to the floor, in which it was a hard floor. Like, I could hear by the way it dropped that was going to be a painful drop basically. So here's what we're doing now, right? We're gonna basically fix my phone. I ordered a next day delivery on a phone screen because literally I didn't forecast to purchase another device, so that's not something that I want to do. And yeah, so basically the screen was loose for 1 whole week prior to that drop, and I found it funny to leave it like that because it was interesting, and I didn't think it was going to get any worse until I put my phone to charge on my bedroom counter, and it dropped off the side, and I feel like that's what ripped the circuit board that was connecting the screen to the phone. So that happened like almost yesterday. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the new screen. I've got the tools that I need, so we're going to change the screen. Hopefully this works. First off, we're going to we're gonna show you, I'm gonna show you what the phone looks like basically. So we've got the screen. I've taken the back off already. That's what the back looks like. It's the battery. Then we have, oh now it wants to act like it, excuse my stomach, I just ate, it's a bit loud. So then we've got the screen. Obviously it's got loads of handprints on there. Then we've got that's the bit that ripped. Obviously that connects to this, and it goes in like that, and as you can see there's the circuit board that connects all the way around the back here. So I need to remove that. That's what I'm going to do now. So out of my pack I have this special baby. This is magnetic. So I'm only going to remove this one and this one, as that's connected. So I'll just take these out, completely unscrew them. See what I mean about magnetic? It's really good. Now I'm going to take out this one. So now we got this. Hopefully it's loose. So it looks like I'm going to have to take this one out as well, just to get it to completely come off. There we go. And now let's look at it and see if it works. Beautiful. That's what we need. We need that to be loose. So that being loose now, it's not going to come all the way off, and I'm not going to try to force it to come all the way off. I think to get it all the way off I need to really undo these. I might be able to keep it nice like this. So I'm going to take this out and I'll remove it. So I've managed to remove it. I don't know if you can see that, but that there is undone. So that means it should come off on this side. So I've taken it out now, yeah. So that's that. That's the screen removed. Put that to one side and let's open my new screen. Okay, cool. So this is what we're dealing with. Cut this. Here's the box. Let's see what this is saying. Oh, okay. So here we go. Ooh-wee. Nice new phone. Okay, cool. So this is what we're working with. Right, so we've got the new screen. So what I'm gonna do is, I've got this. Just wipe it down. As you can see, we've got a lot of handprints on there from last time on it. So we've got a new screen. And then we've got that there. So we just want to like make sure we got this filtered through like that. So that has to go through here like that. You have to be careful not to rip it. That little black thing goes in between the screen like that. So we can just kind of do this now. Turn it around. Then we want to feed this underneath there where it should be, like so. Like that, bang. Want to make sure that it's in there properly. Don't know if you can see this, but so you can see that's what it's meant to be. I'm just going to take some super glue, put it all around the sides. Mad, it raw worked, you know. Nah, I'm so happy. but I was lucky. So I'm going to proceed to put the screws back in. Put the screws back in. Not gonna lie, reattaching the back is the hardest thing about the whole thing. Just gonna put a little bit of super glue on the edges, but not too much, just in case I need to open it again. That should do it. Just gonna get it shut down a little bit. And voila, there's my phone. It's back. It's back and it's better. Got a new screen. And it's there. Just put my passcode in. Let's see what's going on. It's starting up. Good times, good times. See, I just saved myself 60 quid maybe. Because, you know, they would have to get the parts in themselves, and then obviously labour time, so I saved myself a good amount of money by fixing my phone myself. And if you like this video, I'll come back with a few more.